Hey everybody, it's Jay at Lock & Lube, and today I'm introducing you to the new LockNFlate Pro Air Hose Reel. This hose reel is built to be the most durable, longest lasting hose reel in the world. Comes with a 10-year warranty. Manufactured in Australia, 75 feet of half-inch high volume hose, and so much more. To start, let's talk about the case. The case is made to be lightweight, durable, drop resistant, and the reason why we made it open like this, with the open case, it's that much easier to keep it clean. The closed cases tend to collect dirt and grime, and with a ratchet and a spring in there, that's gonna wear down your components over time. We've included 75 feet of our half-inch diameter hose. 75 feet! Whew. This is our premium air hose. This is the half-inch hose with the 3/8 inch connectors for high flow applications. And a hose that is a hybrid polymer material that lies flat, doesn't kink in any range of temperatures. The included stopper is easy to adjust if you want to change the length of hose that's exposed when the hose reel totally recoils, because the bracket can be mounted on the wall or the ceiling. If on the ceiling, there's a pinhole on the bottom so you can put a cotter pin or something else in there to hold it in place. The included bracket is a high quality galvanized steel. Super easy to move and remove. You simply pull the pin, remount as needed. This is great for mobile applications as well. It can be mounted on the truck, anywhere else you might need it. At the core of our hose reel is an automotive grade spring tested to over 1 million cycles. This is the heart of our 10-year guarantee. It's the reason we can offer it. All of the parts in the LockNFlate Pro reel can be replaced or repaired. That means every spring, screw, and component in this product can be replaced, and we have spares on hand if you ever need them. Back here, you'll also see a QR code. If you scan this code with your phone, you'll be able to see the instruction manual as well as all the other supporting documentation about this product and its pieces and components. To purchase the LockNFlate Pro Air Hose Reel, visit locknlube.com or contact any of our Lock & Lube authorized dealers. For more information on this product or anything else we sell, check out locknlube.com or search for us on YouTube.